Elektra Trainer receives German Ultralight certification. Elektra Solar GmbH announced that its two-place all-electric training and towing aircraft, the Elektra Trainer, had received ultralight certification from the German Ultralight Flight Association, a representative agency of Germany's Federal Ministry for Digital Affairs and Transport. Based on 2011's Elektra One single-seat ultralight solar-assisted-electric-propulsion aircraft and designed with an eye toward flight schools and flying clubs, the Elektra Trainer's hourly operating cost of about €60 is fully half that of a legacy ultralight aircraft. Elektra posits the skyrocketing price of conventional aviation fuels, driven by controversial European Union green policies, will further increase the Elektra Trainer's cost advantage over its internal combustion-powered competitors. In addition to a 2.5-hour flight duration, a dual-redundant electric powertrain, variable pitch propeller, retractable landing gear, a 25-to-1 glide ratio, and a whisper-quiet 48-decibel takeoff noise signature, the Elektra Trainer features perpetual uplink to Elektra Solar GmbH's cloud infrastructure, a digital architecture by which aircraft flight data is uploaded and automatically analyzed with the help of AI algorithms. Errors and deviations from baseline normal condition are reported to the aircraft's owner and/or a maintenance provider, thereby increasing safety of flight and streamlining repairs and scheduled maintenance.